Are you ready to start making real money with your drone? It is a fact that the drone industry is the next big thing and is exploding right now. According to a Business Insider special report, the most growth in the drone industry is on the commercial civilian side. Timing couldn't be more perfect for private citizens like you to launch their new business flying drones. There are literally hundreds of ways to make money using a drone, but only the savviest entrepreneurs and the fastest action takers will be able to position themselves to profit from this incredibly timed opportunity. So you don't want to miss out. Now you can get everything you need to start and run a profitable drone business immediately at the upcoming Drone Command Live event. At Drone Command Live, you will learn from 2 industry experts who will give you comprehensive training, teach you the most effective business models to use, give you proven marketing resources. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or you've never flown a drone before, you will get it all at Drone Command Live. Damon Darnell, the drone boss, will teach you how to safely operate your drone, show you how to obtain your FAA 107 license. He'll share his expertise on how to quickly start a profitable drone business and how to start getting clients immediately. The drone boss has over 25 years of experience flying drones and has logged over 10,000 drone flight hours. He has set 2 world records and competed in numerous national and world competitions. He has personally trained over 3,000 entrepreneurs to launch their own profitable drone business and is the founder of the #1 network of professional drone entrepreneurs in America. Come meet the drone boss. And Diego Rodriguez, the president and founder of the Power Marketing Consultants Network, the largest network of professional marketing agencies in the world, will teach you the most effective business and marketing strategies for your drone business. And he will teach you how to be a true drone entrepreneur and not just a drone pilot. In fact, he will show you the step-by-step methods he's taught thousands of other drone entrepreneurs to acquire an unlimited stream of actual paying clients. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or you've never started a business before, you will learn exactly what you need to become profitable in the drone business. There is no other event like Drone Command anywhere. This is the drone event for those who are serious about making money with their drones. Get it all at Drone Command Live. Sign up for the next Drone Command Live event at dronecommandlive.com.